I'm gonna play the Hi guys, my name is Saki. I'm back, and you see I have a Bluetooth, and this is a party story. What 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 my idol YouTuber played. Let's see. Oh, hello, welcome to Summer Party Story. After a long party night, you decide to bike your friend home, and it's pretty late, and your friend wants to sleep over. But they live in a strange neighborhood, and something seems very wrong. Oh, a strange event. That's strange. That's really, really strange. Bro, bro, bro. Wait for me. Wait. Hinaan ko?
Kasi baba mo yung ano, ibaba mo ng konti yung tab. Baba mo ng konti yung tab.
Tab?
Yan, yung may stop sharing. Huwag mo stop, yan, baba mo lang. So, that's okay.
Okay, waiting for other people. Okay, I hope they can survive. Actually, ako makaka-survive. Kasi
What's
that
that
means
game?
so less. I'll not.
What's that game?
It's actually a strange neighborhood, but you get kidnapped by a strange lady.
Is it a safe game?
Yes, it's a safe game. You just go, and because the lady cried, she said, "Oh, miss you can't, children." That's what she's gonna say. She will miss the children, like my friend. What part? What a great party! Thanks for my key. Okay, so that's her. I think this is her house, and this is what her room looks like.
Okay, Hannah.
I'm actually gonna go. How did I got glasses? No, remember. No. Dati sila dito pa lang tasya sila. You need the sunglasses. Well, you stay over. I don't know. Do you have snacks? No. They actually go to They have a strange neighborhood, and then they go to the market, but we get kidnapped. Actually, because this is the snack. This is where you get that.
Can read that.
You want us to go back out there? Bruh! I'll buy you gummies. Good. Okay? But, fine. But if I die before that, I'll very upset. She'll get upset. Bruh, no. Saan? Isa.
Bike to the gas station.
I don't know how to bike. Bruh, I can't bike. Come on. Come on, yeah. Why is it so dark now? Why am I glitching? But how is she so fast? Nani, what do you hear that? Oh. Not that lady, not the creepy lady. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! That's so scary! That is so scary! What is that? That's so scary! You tell me. I don't
You pee or something.
hear that lady even have eyeballs. They were back.
That.
Oh my gosh, it's that. Time for bed, the kids. But we just saw a pretty demon old lady. That's nice, sweetie. She didn't have eyeballs. Her face was sound like you've had too many gummies. Oh no, we're gonna sleep actually. I think all by ourselves. We're gonna be stuck in a dream, guys. We're gonna be stuck in a dream. That was scary, right? Guys, you saw that? We just saw that Cherry Pop saw that actually that lady was so scary. Ah, the demon slayer. Bro, I mean, Abby. Yep, there's Abby. And I hate Abby's. I'm bad of Abby's. We're gonna hear that lady. Ah. Okay, calm down. It's just a dream. Nothing can hurt us. Yeah, but why am I... Oh!
You better run.
We better run.
You heard the lady.
Run.
Be
Please don't
careful.
die. I don't know if I can do it. I hope I can do it, actually. Bro, I don't have it.
Be careful sa jump.
Now I don't have any Robux. Oh,
We
wait.
can do
You
it.
can do it? Wow, okay. Now I don't have any
Wow,
Bro, I'm bad at hobby.
You can do
Yeah.
that. It's okay. One
I
more
am
time.
bad at hobby.
One more time. You can do it.
Bruh! It's because the game is tricking me.
You have to focus.
Bruh. Boy. Oh, it gave me a chance. Okay. Run. Oh no, the girl died. Okay. Oh wait. What? Now we don't have a chance.
You still have a chance. That's a nice cloud and then garbage.
Yes? Because we're stuck in the dream. Bruh, please make it through. Because I'm actually gonna cry if I didn't make it. Please, come on, girl. Yes! She's a pro up here! No. I don't want to see it. Yours are two. Wait, I don't see her eye
Your
red.
eyes are blacked out.
I don't see her black. Me too. Oh no, they're controlling us. The demon's controlling us.
No.
They are controlling us. Me too.
Why you have to read that? They can't control it. You
See,
have to read it.
she can. I'm getting ignored. They does. Come home to me. We're coming. Oh, I have some loose gummies waiting for you. They're waiting for us. But they're
I'm
actually
so
scared.
scared.
I'm actually sweating. My hands are sweating because I'm scared.
Keep ready. I'm so glad you're coming to visit.
I'm so scared, so I'm actually sweating.
Maybe you're just tired. That's why you're
No,
sweating.
I'm sweating because it's so scary. Me either. You're almost there, child. I'm already scared. Oh no, I'm so scared. Okay, run. Up. No. I'm gonna die probably. Probably we're gonna die here. There's lava. She's gonna release lava. I can't control myself now. I can't move. Run! Where's the key? We need the key.
Find the
We need
key to
We need the key.
escape. Escape through the attic window.
Yes, we need to escape. No.
You have to find the key
Where is it?
first.
Come on, where is it? Girl. It's already open.
Oh,
Oh,
good job.
yes. I didn't know I was a pro Abby gamer.
Yeah.
Didn't know.
Oh, yeah.
How did they? I can't believe we made it. Nakakagulat naman ang story pala nito.
Yeah,
Kasi if
you're
that
going home
lady,
na.
now that girl is gonna be sad.
The story,
Yes,
done na.
yes,
That's the end of the story.
yes. And that demon is gonna be sad. Rude. I'll see you again soon. Oh no, she's crying. Oh my gosh. The end.
The end? Good
Yes,
job.
the
Okay.
end. Oh,
You survived.
yes. But how did she found the key?
I don't know.
It was the whole time open, and then I didn't know.
It says,
There we
thank
go.
you for playing. Okay, wait. Let's stop the game first.
Bye guys.
You say bye-bye na.
Bye bye.
Sabi mo, I hope you enjoy.
I hope you enjoy it. Thanks
Okay,
for
let's stop.
watching. See you next time. Bye.